Let's go ahead and check out this white noise machine with a wake up light. It has app control and remote control, and my favorite part, it has RGB color lights. I am so excited for this. So you can turn this on a couple ways. You can use the on button here at the top, or the remote with the on and off button. Or if you have the app, you can use that as well. Let's go ahead and mess with the remote control to see what awesome features this has. You guys, I love this product. Not only does it have a clock, it has an alarm. The LED lights are awesome. That's one of my favorite features. And it's a noise machine. So if you're somebody who needs a little background sound to fall asleep to, I think this would be perfect for you. You can use this device in so many ways that I think it is a great product to have.